NASA keeps sending landers to the moon, but they keep falling over. I mean, we have landed on the moon before successfully, but now we can't even get these landers to stay upright. Take this most recent one, Athena. It was built by a private company called Intuitive Machines. It launched last Thursday, and within 24 hours, it tipped over, lost power, and died. And this isn't even the first time. Last year, the same company sent another lander, and that one tipped over too. So why does this keep happening? Well, instead of building these landers themselves, NASA has a program called Commercial Lunar Payload Services. And the idea is to let private companies handle these moon landings, and it's supposed to make things cheaper and faster. If everything goes well, then everyone wins. But the reality is that most of these missions have failed. One company, Astrobiotic, didn't even make it to the moon. The only lander that actually worked was Firefly Aerospace's Blue Ghost, and that just happened recently. Meanwhile, NASA is still paying millions for landers that barely survive a day. So at what point do we admit that this approach just isn't working? I get that some people don't care, it's just a robot, right? We can just try again. But these landers aren't just expensive science projects. They're supposed to help us build a permanent presence on the moon. And if we can't even get them standing, how are we ever going to set up a moon base? And then there's the money. NASA's budget is already limited, and every failed mission means more time and resources down the drain. If these private companies can't get the job done, then NASA might have to take over again, which defeats the entire point of outsourcing in the first place. For now, NASA's sticking with the plan. They're gonna hope that these companies figure it out, but if these landers keep falling over and failing, then it might be time to rethink the whole strategy. Because at the end of the day, landing on the moon shouldn't be this hard. Thanks for watching.